probably should have just moved it in before I started.
We've got to move
thank you DX Racer, it's upside down, for sending me this chair to replace my current chair. I didn't really have it.
It's not a very wide angle.
What? Is it zoomed in?
Do I need to go back?
No, that's fine. Just
But I've either got the box in or you.
How's this? Is that a good shot?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can pick it up. You can move off the basket. Right, I'm gonna get my knife. Always carry it in my sock. I don't actually know what colour it is. I kind of said I don't really mind. I prefer a black chair.
Sure, it'll be black.
I don't even know what it is. They just sent me here saying we sent you a chair. I didn't read the email very carefully, and I would have told me some specifications, but I thought this would be a surprise for me, you, and the viewers at home. I don't know if they needed me to say anything specific. I don't know. Right, well, you're getting all this, yeah? This is quality.
Well, it's black so far.
Black so far. Good analysis. Oh, I can see some handles. Oh, it's black. I feel like there's like unboxing channels that give you like really interesting anecdotes whilst you open stuff, and there's me just saying, oh look, it's black. Oh, there's some polystyrene here. Oh, it's recording, right? So I'm guessing this is the back. I've seen quite a few chairs in my time.
That's the leg, isn't it?
Maybe. I like the black. It's. I mean, I wouldn't say it's understated, but it's more understated than most of these like gaming chairs. Because people kept on saying like, don't get a racing style chair because they're not very good. But they're only not very good because like you get all these like knockoff Chinese ones for like 50 quid. I think that's what most people like compare them to. You get the original DX Racers, they'll be good chairs. Right. Isn't there like some law saying you have to disclose if you get something for free? We're in my bedroom, by the way. I haven't finished decorating it yet. This is all part of my moving in. Alright.
I need to see.
It's my moving series. I'm kind of. I built that yesterday. Alright. This is my very personal now. Okay. I'm having decorators in next weekend. I don't know what these are. Okay, those are the wheels. Oh, that's probably got a name, but you know.
I know what it is. I don't know what it's called though.
Ah, the internal thing for that thing.
Some like screws have just fallen out.
Gotta screw these. Right, well, let's get building, shall we? Shall I? This film. How's this? I feel like you should pick it up, do some like dynamic camera shots. Start with the instruction. I was going to say, should we start with this? Let's just look at the instruction manual.
Definitely start with the instructions.
Where did I put it? Oh, my back really hurts. I've been building furniture for the past 4 days. Okay, we're going to...
Should be good at this then. You're just going to show how hard it looks to make now.
This is just fine. It's all going together pretty easy, actually. I like that little finish. Okay, I'm guessing the wheels next. Tension. Oh. So, and then it's just like draw the rest of the owl, isn't it? What is the racing series? Apparently, is what this chair is. I entered my measurement. I told the person who like deals with YouTubers who get chairs what my height is.
Is that their job title?
I think that's how she signed her email off. Is that right?
The wheels are on.
I hope so. So I'm going to go and assume that this goes like that. And that's it. And it really is that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, it must be.
Is this going to help?
This bit goes on there, right?
Oh, I thought that was to attach your TV to the wall.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to my tutorial on how to assemble a DX Racer racing series. I'm about to say Formula Series, which is racing series chair. That looks alright. I think you may attach this to the chair first. Okay, let's just eat that off. Got an adjustable. Hey, get that? You got a good shot.
Oh yeah, that needs a good shot.
There we go. It's alright. Okay, so. Okay. Goes like this, I think.
This is probably where I should be helping rather than filming.
No. You have one job to do. Right.
I'm just wondering what this is for.
What's for? That's the head cushion. You know.
Oh, there's a head cushion.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a DX Racer, mate.
Wow. Luxury.
Oh God. The whole DX Racer.
How would you zoom on this thing?
There's like a. It's still recording, right? It does.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like a dial at the top, not the big one, the little one. That. Yeah, there.
Ah, yeah.
Or you can like spin the lens. There's like a yeah.
Oh, it goes in a long way.
Oh God! It just doesn't. Welcome back to my channel where I predominantly make videos about engineering.
You're starting a new channel.
Chairreviews.net.
Chairbusters.
Chairbusters. Yeah, well, if we're not careful, it's going to be chairbusters. There we go.
The assembly is well underway. Now just the other side.
This is where we step back and realise we've put it on backwards.
Do you play any racing games?
I do, I've got Forza. But if any developers of racing games would like to send me some free racing games.
And now you've got the DX Racer.
I've got a DX Racer. This is all part of my... Here we go. I'm basically just trying to furnish my entire house for free. I'm going to see if Wix will sponsor me a free kitchen for a shout out in a Kerbal Space Program video. I would do anything.
Oh, there's more mum and dads for your audience, isn't it?
I mean, I bought a mattress recently. Maybe it was a Casper mattress. Depending on whether they get back to me, it will change the answer. Oh, we need to put the little protector on them. So it goes like that way up. I think that's fine. Right. Yeah. Oh, it will do.
Right. To the next stage.
We're going to go to the posterior aspect of the chair. I'm sure I'm trying to use terminology. I want to make sure this goes on the right way around though. Why is like the base has its own instruction manual just for putting the little clips on, and then the rest of the chair is like that? Is it still recording? Wait, don't take off just yet. I don't know if it actually is that.
Oh, it's gotta be.
I've just forgotten what a chair looks like. The lever has to go on. Oh. I feel like it should go. I think it goes on this side. When you're in an office chair, you always reach down to the right. Yeah, okay, it's there.
Definitely.
I feel like I should have like a funny anecdote about inserting bolts. Okay.
Do them up.
Here we go. Did you know the first bolt was invented by Sir Henry Bolt in 1944? He and his wife Susan Nail went on to create many more forms of joinery. Yeah, right. That's the chair done, I think. Now we just put it all together. Rad.
Super scary, more like.
Right. I'm just gonna sit on it. The whole thing just falls apart. Why are there so many screws? Why we haven't used any of the screws that it came with? Just the excitement. And we'll get the lumbar support. I'm sure that's how it goes on. I've done it wrong. Oh, the strap's twisted. Oh no! Hello. Alright, there's no. I thought you just doing it. There we go. Right. Okay.
Oh yeah.
And then so you can like. Oh, it's still twisted.
Don't give up your day job.
Yeah, I feel like, eye clinician. It's a far more sustainable career than wacky YouTuber that makes videos about one specific game.
Tries to get as many freebies as possible.
To be fair, DX Race were the ones that said they'd send me a chair after I emailed them. Just goes on like this.
Whack it on. Finite.
Right, here we go. I don't like it.
What's the verdict?
It's a chair.
Feels like a chair, does it?
Or I wouldn't.
You wouldn't recommend that position.
That's comfy actually. I like that.
So you're happy?
So let's go to the office. What's that? I've run over the Allen key. Oh, it's stuck in the wheel. Oh god, I think I've broken the wheel. I need like a steering wheel, don't I? This is my new gaming setup, by the way. All my lawyer's paperwork off the desk. So I'm going to be gaming. Oh no! I've just realised the problem, Dom.
What's that?
Hang on. Oh.
There you go. Sorted.
This is how I'm going to game now. Feet up. Got my controller. This is the official way. This is how real professionals play Kerbal Space Program like this. I'll just do a quick manoeuvre now. So thank you for watching. My I will have to do a proper review. This could just be like the end of the build video. And I'll cut to a different day when I'm not starving and going slightly mad. Do you have any closing thoughts, Dom? Your thoughts on this chair?
Well, I'm just happy it's finished. Really, it's taken a while. It's been a long slog.
It's a really long slog. Look, that's the chair.
It's only taken
dealing with
5 hours, but
yeah,
we made it. I just still love that table.
I think it's a nice solid chair, but I really don't trust it because I built it. So I'm just waiting for it to all collapse and I just get impaled on the column.
Oh,
Right.
It's not a nice thought.
Okay.